Hello, this is Dr. Cleveland, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Brightspace homepage. I'm just looking at one of my courses that I'm teaching, which is an accounting class for nonprofits. And since Brightspace is new, I want to give you a quick orientation to some very critical parts of Brightspace. The first is if you go to the Help menu here, if you click on that and you're looking for technical help, to manage Brightspace, some feature of Brightspace you don't understand, you can click on Contact Support. A new window will pop up. You can put your contact information and then go down here and click Submit, and this will start a chat with a technician at Brightspace. And we've got 24/7 support, so you should be able to do that anytime. The next part is finding your assignments on Brightspace. You want to click on Content, because content provides you with the entire look at the course. And when I start, the landing page here is just the overview, but you can go and click on Table of Contents, which gives you an overview of the entire course from the setup to week 1, week 2, week 3. Every single week you could just scroll down and look at. Now, a shortcut to looking at the weeks would be to look at, say, week 1, which is in this case an in-class session, and this gives you an overview of what the topics will be, the learning outcomes, and then it gives you the readings that you're meant to do for this class session, and then the assignments that will be due either for the pre-course assignment or the discussions after class. So let's just say we click on the readings, and you see that you're meant to read 4 chapters in the ebook, and you can click on that link and the ebook opens up automatically. And then we look at your assignments, and when you click on the pre-course assignment, it just provides some details of what the pre-course assignment is. And to turn in assignments, I believe what you do is to upload a file here. I don't see anything that allows you to just put something in like you would for a discussion post. And then the last thing to look at here on the assignments is you've got discussions, and what this will do is give you the discussion forums for this week. And you've got the first one. It asks why the organization is a nonprofit. You can start a new thread, you would put in your 250 word or more answer in that thread. So that is and I'm just going to go back to the content to look at a different week. Say for instance you were going to look at week 2 online. It has the readings, and again you've got the chapters to read and the link to the ebook there. In some courses the ebooks aren't linked, and you can get those from the let's go back to the table of contents. I believe the link to the ebook would be in the welcome material here, course startup, required text. This is another place where you can get the link to the ebooks, because you have all the textbooks listed here, and here are the links to the textbooks and then the articles. And that again is, and sometimes you have to scroll up, sometimes things disappear on this, but it's course resources from this content page, the course resources, and then the required text. And there's also a useful template for APA papers here listed with the course resources. And so let's go back actually to week 3 online, and you'll see the readings, and then you've also got your discussion forums here that are posted as week 3 discussions. There's another way to get to your discussion forums, and that's clicking in this top menu bar on discussions. But the problem, if you just go to you see it lists the discussion forums here week by week. If you just relied on that, you might miss other assignments that are listed under content. For grades, you can check your grades here as assignments are graded. You have assignments and forums, and then you have you can also reach the class list, and through this you could email people in your class. So that gives you an overview of this new platform and some critical things to look for within Brightspace.